Welcome. Today, we're diving into a question that's shaping the future of education. Should data literacy become a core subject for all students? In our digital world, data is everywhere, from the apps we use to the news we read, and even the decisions made in our schools. But the real issue isn't whether students encounter data, it's whether they truly understand it. As charts, statistics, and algorithms become part of daily life, being able to interpret and question data is just as important as reading or writing. Misunderstanding data can lead to confusion, misinformation, and poor choices. On the other hand, data literacy empowers students with clarity, confidence, and the ability to make informed decisions. Let's explore why this topic is at the heart of today's education debates. What exactly is data literacy? It's much more than just reading numbers on a page. Data literacy is about asking the right questions, analyzing patterns, spotting errors, and making decisions based on solid evidence. Students need to understand charts, graphs, and tables, but also recognize when statistics might be misleading or when data collection methods introduce bias. It's about being curious, asking, what does this really mean? And what might be missing? In short, data literacy is the ability to read, interpret, question, and use data in meaningful ways. This skill helps students navigate a world full of information and equips them to think critically about the data they encounter every day. As technology advances, students are surrounded by digital tools that process huge amounts of data. Without strong data skills, they risk becoming passive consumers instead of active, informed thinkers. Data literacy prepares students for tech-driven careers, strengthens their critical thinking, and helps them spot misinformation online. It also supports practical life skills, like understanding financial data or making health decisions based on charts and statistics. For example, students might interpret fitness data from a health app, analyze school performance dashboards, or evaluate statistics they see in news or on social media. These abilities are essential for navigating both academic and real-world challenges. Data literacy isn't just a standalone skill, it actually enhances the subjects students already study. In math, it builds reasoning and pattern recognition. In science, it sharpens hypothesis testing and experiment analysis. Social studies benefit from evaluating surveys, polls, and historical trends, while English classes use data to strengthen arguments with evidence. By weaving data literacy into these core subjects, students gain a deeper understanding and practical skills that go beyond the classroom. This integration helps them see the real-world relevance of what they're learning and prepares them for the complex, data-driven world they'll enter after graduation. Today's job market, nearly every profession, from healthcare to business, relies on the ability to understand and use data. Students who are data literate have a clear advantage. They're more employable, better at problem solving, and comfortable working with AI-powered tools. These skills also foster stronger analytical thinking, which is valuable in any career path. By building data literacy early, students set themselves up for success in a rapidly changing, tech-driven world. It's not just about getting a job, it's about thriving in a future where data is everywhere. Of course, there are arguments against making data literacy a core subject. Some worry that adding another requirement could overwhelm students or take time away from other important subjects. There are also practical concerns. Teachers may need extra training, schools might require better technology, and some believe data literacy could be integrated into existing courses rather than taught separately. These challenges are real, but they also highlight the importance of thoughtful planning and support if data literacy is to become a central part of education. Should data literacy be a core subject for all students? Given how central data is to everyday decision-making, it's clear that these skills are no longer optional. Whether taught as a dedicated course or woven into existing subjects, data literacy deserves a central place in education. It strengthens life skills, prepares students for a digital future, protects against misinformation, and boosts academic performance. As we look ahead, making data literacy a priority will help students thrive in a world where information is power.